Hi, I'm Jason. I'll be presenting um, this game by Google, which demonstrates or showcases how machine learning works.
Can I play?
Yeah. So it's asking for a purse drawing. Um, Clearly, Professor. Oh, never mind. So it uses lots of drawings that other users have put in to guess your drawing.
Oh,
So if I try to draw, like, I don't even have to complete the whole drawing for it to guess that it's a harp. Like, if I want to draw just pants, maybe it'll guess from this. Never mind. But you don't have to be that detailed because um, Google has gotten so many user inputs on these that over time it's been using pattern recognition to figure out the bare minimum to figure out what let's say a motorbike looks like. I don't know what a motorbike looks like though. So hopefully, thankfully, Google knows. So if we actually just look into, let's say one of these, it'll show a lot of the drawings that other people have put in. And what Google does is it uses like millions of these drawings to make better guesses in the future as to what a harp looks like.
that is very cool.
So we've been using that as at our first year open house students activity to show incoming freshmen examples of what machine learning is like, and just to give them the idea that you can train a system.